Welcome to InstiQ. Now that your institute is set up and you are logged in as super admin, let us take a closer look at your dashboard and understand everything it offers you. The very first thing you see at the top is a warm welcome with your name and your institute name. This immediately tells you that you are in the right place, managing the right institute. Just below that, you will notice today's date. Simple but useful. Every time you open the app, you know exactly where you stand. Now, right here on this welcome card, there is something extremely important: your institute code. Think about this for a moment. In a traditional institute, when a new teacher joins, you hand them a physical ID card, walk them through paperwork, and manually add them to every register. When a parent wants updates about their child, someone has to call them. When a student needs to be added to the system, it takes days. InstiQ changes all of that with one simple thing: this institute code. This code is completely unique to your institute. No other institute in the world has the same code. It is how every person connected to your institute, teachers, staff, students, parents, finds you on InstiQ and requests to join. All you have to do is share this code with whoever needs to join. You can copy it instantly by tapping on it and then share it directly on WhatsApp, email, or however you communicate with your team. Let us see exactly how this works. Say you have a new teacher joining your institute. You share the institute code with them. The teacher downloads InstiQ from the Google Play Store, opens the app, and taps on Sign Up. They fill in their name and email address, and then they enter the institute code you provided. This is the moment their account gets connected to your institute. They then create a password, accept the privacy policy, and submit their request. Before they proceed, they will see a confirmation screen showing the institute name linked to the code they entered. This is a safeguard, so no one accidentally joins the wrong institute. If the code is correct, they confirm. If they want to change it, they can tap on Change Institute Code, go back, and re-enter the correct one. Once they confirm and submit, they receive a message saying their request has been sent to the platform administrator. That administrator is you, the super admin, or your academic admin. Now here is what happens if the teacher tries to log in before you approve them. InstiQ will not let them in. The system holds their request until it is reviewed. This means no unauthorized person can ever access your institute's data. Every single user goes through your approval. So, let us now log back in as super admin and approve this request. Enter your email address and password and sign in. On your dashboard, look at the user management section. You will already see that there is one pending request waiting for your attention. This is exactly the kind of real-time visibility that saves you from the endless back and forth of phone calls asking whether someone has been added to the system or not. When you tap on pending, you can see the request from the teacher who just signed up. You can see their name, their email address, the institute code they used, and their current status: unassigned. Until you assign them a role, they cannot access anything inside the application. Now, before assigning, notice that on the Active tab, you will also find your own account, with your email, institute name, institute code, and the super admin persona already assigned. That was done automatically when you registered the institute. Let us now assign the role to our new teacher. Tap on Assign Role. Here you will see all the available personas in InstiQ: super admin, academic admin, teacher, student, parent, accountant, supervisor, and staff. Each persona unlocks a completely different set of features inside the app, designed specifically for that role. Since we are adding a teacher, we select Teacher. Now you fill in the professional details. Designation: Senior Teacher. Employment type: Full-time. Joining date: Today. Department: Core. Qualification and specialization: whatever applies to this teacher. Years of experience. Alternate phone number and address if needed. You also have the option to mark this teacher as a class teacher. A class teacher in InstiQ has responsibility for an entire class: attendance, communication, and oversight. You can toggle this on or off based on your requirement. Finally, set the staff status. You have options like active, suspended, resigned, and terminated. Since this teacher is joining today, we select active. Tap on Assign. Immediately, a success message appears with the teacher's name and a system-generated employee ID. You did not create this ID manually. InstiQ generated it automatically. No register, no Excel sheet, no manual numbering. Tap Continue. Back on the Active tab, you can now see two users, your teacher and yourself as super admin. The Institute is growing, and the system reflects it in real time. Now let us verify that the teacher can actually log in. Log out and sign in using the teacher's email address and password. Here, InstiQ shows a very thoughtful screen. A teacher can be associated with more than one institute simultaneously. They might be teaching at a school in the morning and a coaching center in the evening. InstiQ supports this. One account, multiple institutes. The teacher simply selects which institute they want to access at that moment. In our case, we have one institute, so we tap on it. And just like that, the faculty dashboard opens. A dashboard designed specifically for teachers, with everything they need to manage their classes, mark attendance, handle assignments, and enter exam marks, all in one place. There is a dedicated video that walks through the complete faculty experience in detail. Every feature, every workflow, explained step by step. Now, the same invitation process applies to every person in your institute, not just teachers. Let us look at how students and parents are brought on board, because this is where InstiQ truly saves hours of administrative work every single admission season. A student signs up exactly the same way. They download InstiQ, tap Sign Up, fill in their name and email address, enter the institute code you shared with them, create a password, and submit their request. Their request lands in your pending queue, just like the teachers did. When you open User Governance and tap on the student's pending request, tap Assign Role and this time select Student from the dropdown. Now here is where it gets specific to students. You select the class, whichever class this student belongs to, then select the section, and then comes the roll number. You have two options here. You can manually type in a roll number if your institute follows a specific numbering system, or if you simply leave it blank, InstiQ will automatically generate a unique roll number for that student. No duplicates, no confusion, no manual tracking. Finally, select the admission date and tap Assign. A success message appears instantly, showing the student's name and their assigned roll number, whether you entered it manually or let the system generate it. The student is now fully enrolled and can log in to their student dashboard. Now let us talk about parents, because keeping parents informed is one of the biggest challenges in any institute. Right now, in most institutes, a parent has to call the school to find out their child's attendance. They have to wait for report cards to know exam results. They find out about holidays through WhatsApp forwards, sometimes late, sometimes not at all. InstiQ connects parents directly to their child's academic life, in real time. A parent signs up the same way. Download the app, tap Sign Up, enter the institute code, fill in their details, and submit. Their request appears in your pending queue. When you go to assign their role, select Parent from the dropdown. Now there is one important detail here. A parent must be linked to their child inside the system. This is what makes the parent's dashboard meaningful. They only see information relevant to their own child, no one else's. So, you will need the child's roll number. Enter it in the field provided, and instantly the child's name appears right below it for you to confirm. This verification step makes sure there is no mismatch. The right parent is always connected to the right student. Once you confirm the name and tap Assign, a success message appears. The parent is now linked to their child and can log in to see attendance, exam results, assignments, notifications, everything, in real time, from their phone. And that is how InstiQ handles the complete onboarding of every person in your institute. Teachers, staff, students, and parents, through one unified, controlled, and effortless process. No admission forms to file, no registers to update, no calls to make. Every person in their right place, with the right access from day one. And one more thing. On every dashboard in InstiQ, you will notice a small icon in the top right corner. Tapping on it takes you to the How to Use page, where every persona can find guided instructions for using the application on their own. So even if someone is not sure what to do next, the answer is always one tap away. InstiQ puts you in complete control of who is in your institute, what they can access, and how your institute runs every single day.